we can change our negative thinking mind to the positive by applying the concept of mind, by applying subconscious mind to behave in a positive manner. We can make wonders in our life. We can create our life. Whatever we want to achieve, we can, because that is the power of our subconscious mind. जो हम चाहते हैं वो हम पूरा कर सकते हैं. Our concept of this mind is so strong. It is so powerful that we can fulfill any of our dreams. So what is required is a positive perspective and gratitude. तो जब हम उस नजरिए से चलते हैं with a positive perspective, we start achieving our goals. And about our health, from the negative thinking mind to the positive thinking mind. हेल्थ के बारे में हम ये सोचते हैं कि हमारी हेल्थ ठीक हो रही है. आई एम गेटिंग बेटर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर ईच डे, एंड वी थैंक गॉड एंड द यूनिवर्स फॉर दैट. That is the whole perspective we need to change. That was about yesterday, and the assignment was to do 10 blessings, to write them down, to hold the magic rock in hand, and to visualize about your perfect health, which we did in the class. Any questions about yesterday? Have you all done the assignments? Any questions about yesterday?
And what was the assignment? I was absent yesterday.
हाँ, असाइनमेंट यही था, टू राइट 10 ब्लेसिंग्स एंड मैजिक रॉक. वो तो रोज है.
यो मैम वो तो हो गया
हाँ,
मैम.
बट
To think
आपको
about
उसके
our
अलावा
health.
ये सोचना है दैट यू आर गेटिंग बेटर एंड बेटर ईच डे. दैट वाज द असाइनमेंट. और एक आपको कार्ड पे लिखना था जो मैंने अभी ग्रुप में भी शेयर करा है, दैट द गिफ्ट ऑफ हेल्थ इज कीपिंग मी अलाइव. शुक्र है कि मैं जी रहा हूँ, मैं जिंदा हूँ. आई एम अलाइव. दिस सच अ ब्लेसिंग टू यू.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am, you shared.
या, तो वो मैंने शेयर किया था. That was your assignment for yesterday. So who all did the assignment? Arush, could you do? Okay, so let's start with this chapter. Today's chapter is on magic money. How many of you want a lot of money in your life?
Oh my God, I think everyone.
I think everyone, yes. So that is there. Everyone wants to win a lottery or some अचानक से कहीं से बहुत सारा हमें धन मिल जाए. But the thing is that पहले तो क्या था, पहले बाटर सिस्टम होता था इंस्टेड ऑफ मनी. There was exchange of goods and services. Now we have
Yes ma'am.
money concept, which is which has become part of our lives in all spheres of life, all spheres of life. So what is important is to understand that either we are, we give extra importance to money, या फिर हम नेगेटिव पर्सपेक्टिव लेते हैं मनी का कि ये तो ईवल है. दिस विल ब्रिंग मोर हार्म टू अस. इससे हमारे को बुराइयां मिलेंगी, हमें कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा, हमारे मन में नेगेटिविटी आ जाएगी. So we get into that negative thinking mind. What is important is to come out of that negative thinking mind to the positive thinking. वो कैसे हो सकता है? वो हो सकता है जितना आप ग्रैटिट्यूड देंगे उतना आप रिच बनते जाओगे. दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ माइंड. Because rich, not in terms just of money, rich in terms of your attitude, rich in terms of your personality, rich in terms of your behavior. So your whole personality, your whole world will change the moment you come into the zone of gratitude. That is so important. Because please understand one thing. If you are stuck somewhere in life, be it health or be it relationship, as we talked about in earlier classes, कोई भी चीज हो, उसमें क्या जरूरी है, कहीं पर भी आप स्टक हो तो हमें अपने कंप्लेन मोड से बाहर आकर हमें ग्रैटिट्यूड मोड में आना है. ग्रैटिट्यूड मोड मतलब कृतज्ञता, थैंकफुलनेस,
Shuk- Shukrana.
शुक्राना. आपको उस मोड में आएंगे, उसके बारे में सोचेंगे, वट एवर यू हैव, इवन इफ यू विल से दैट वट एवर आई हैव इज इनफ, एंड that will create that abundance in you. I'm not saying that you don't look for your goals and don't achieve them. You do, but with a positive perspective. Rather than running for money, you run for your goal and to be to be successful in life. That is what you aim at. Because the biggest and most important thing in the world is your mindset. सो यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर माइंडसेट. क्या होता है, हम कंप्लेन मोड में आ जाते हैं कि हमारे पास तो पैसा ही नहीं टिकता, पैसा कमाना बहुत मुश्किल है, और बचपन से हम सुनते आ रहे हैं कि पैसा पेड़ों पे नहीं लगा, कि तुमने बोला और मैंने उसको तोड़ के तुम्हें दे दिया. या हम कुछ भी नेगेटिव थिंकिंग जोन में आ जाते हैं कि ये मैं कैसे करूं, पैसा तो बहुत मुझे मुश्किल लग रहा है, मेरे जेब में तो मोरी है, इधर से आता है पैसा और उधर से निकल जाता है, आजकल हालात ऐसे हैं, क्या करूं. So we continuously we talk about this to whosoever we meet. So to get out of that negative thinking zone, what is required is your positive frame of mind. जो भी आप बोल रहे हैं, what is required is that you speak with positive attitude. उतना ही बोले जितना कि रिक्वायर्ड है, क्योंकि उसमें फिर एग्जांपल्स देने में आप कुछ ज्यादा ही बोल जाएंगे जो नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. तो इसके बारे में हाउ टू कीप दैट पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग जोन एंड टू बी इन दैट फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड, आई हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल वीडियो टू शेयर विद यू which so how was the recording, how was the video?
It was great.
Wonderful. So that is what the concept which I talked about: ask, believe, and receive. Day one, we talked about this visualization practice that we also did for health. So
Yes.
this is Oprah Winfrey. Yes, she is. She's having an interview with Jim Carrey.
Jim Carrey.
And
Yeah.
first time Jim Carrey wrote a check for himself for $10 million, and he got it exact $10 million. He visualized it. Today we are going to do a visualization technique that I will do during our session. So that is a wonderful technique. But what I was talking about, ask, believe and receive. जो आप यूनिवर्स से मांगते हैं, फिर उसमें आप भरोसा करते, यू ट्रस्ट इट दैट यू आर गोइंग टू रिसीव इट, फिर आप नेसेसरी एक्शन लेते हैं एंड यू रिसीव, यू स्टार्ट रिसीविंग. बट व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज योर पॉजिटिव फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड, the positive perspective, your mindset is what is required. Wonderful. So we can start with our book reading now. Anyone would like to nominate for book reading session? See, the idea of reading is that when you read, you get into that positive vibration mode. और जो बाकी नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, I would like you all to read along, क्योंकि उससे आपको भी पॉजिटिविटी मिलती है. यू गेट इनटू दैट वाइब्रेशन मोड. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो मनीषा, वुड यू लाइक टू रीड? Okay, Manisha, you have to unmute.
Yeah, I would like to read.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Day 5, Magic Money. Yeah, please start.
Gratitude is riches, complaint is poverty. If there's lack of money in your life, understand that feeling worried, envious, jealous, disappointed, discouraged, doubtful, or fearful about money can never bring more money to you, because those feelings come from a lack of gratitude for the money you have. Complaining about money, arguing about money, getting frustrated about money, being critical of the cost of something, or making someone else feel bad about money are not acts of gratitude, and the money in your life can never improve. It
Okay.
will worsen.
Yeah. So क्या होता है, आप खुद से आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि
Hmm.
ऐसा क्या आप कर रहे हैं कि यू आर नॉट एबल टू अट्रैक्ट मनी.
Hmm.
व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग यू हैव व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट मनी, ये आपको खुद से आइडेंटिफाई करना है. लाइक आप कितना भाव तोल कर रहे हैं सब्जी वाले से, 5 रुपए के पीछे या 2 रुपए के पीछे. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट it's not that negotiation नहीं करना. Like if it is you're competent or if you are in the market, you need to, but then उसको किस feeling के साथ कर रहे हैं. Your feeling and intention matters. If they are positive, instead of saying कि नहीं नहीं इतना तो मैं दे ही नहीं सकता, उसकी जगह अगर आप ये बोलें, you know, it is better if we work on this much price because that would be beneficial for both of us.
Hmm.
That is a positive way of saying.
Yeah.
इंस्टेड ऑफ चिंता करना, हमेशा ये सोचना कि अरे मेरे तो पैसा ही नहीं है, मेरे तो जेब में मोरी है, अब मैं कहाँ से लाऊंगा. कोई आपसे कुछ बात करे तो नहीं नहीं मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं. उसकी जगह आप कुछ और पॉजिटिव वे से बोलो. दैट इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड. क्योंकि चिंता करने से कुछ नहीं होता है. चिंता करने से यू गेट इनटू दैट नेगेटिव मोड. यू गेट फियर, और फियर से फ्रस्ट्रेशन आती है. आर्ग्यू करना मनी के बारे में, बीइंग क्रिटिकल ऑफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ समथिंग, ये सब छोटे छोटे फीलिंग्स हैं जो आपकी नकारात्मक जो भी सोच है उसको और बढ़ा देते हैं और बढ़ा देते हैं. सो यू कीप गेटिंग द सेम सिचुएशंस रिपीटेडली अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन. सो टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग. खुद से सोचिए कि वो क्या फीलिंग है आपके अंदर, वो क्या फीलिंग आ रही है जो बार बार ये आप नेगेटिव मोड में चले जाते हैं. And you are not able to attract enough money which you really want. Yes, please.
No matter what your current situation, the very thought that you don't have enough money is being ungrateful for the money you have. You have to get your current situation out of your
Mind.
one second. Sorry, excuse me.
Yeah.
Mind, and instead feel grateful for the money you do have, so the money in your life can magically increase.
Yeah. So what consumes your mind controls your life. जैसा अगर आप पॉजिटिव फीलिंग से उसको सोच रहे हैं, your perspective changes abundantly. And कुछ रातों रात हो जाता है. कोई बोलते हैं ना कि इसको क्या हो गया, एकदम से तो इसकी लाइफ ही चेंज हो गई, आपकी दुनिया ही पलट जाएगी. The moment you change. Yes, please.
Whoever has gratitude for money will be given more, and she or he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for money, even what she or he has will be taken from him or her. Feeling grateful for money when you have very little is challenging for anyone. But when you understand that nothing will change until you're grateful, you will be inspired to do it. Should I continue?
Just 1 minute. So, when it is said that whoever has gratitude for money will be given more, जितना आप शुक्राना के मोड में जाएंगे उतना ही you will attract more money. So you need to be grateful to attract more money in your life. Yes, please.
Feeling grateful for money when you have very little is challenging for anyone. But when you understand that nothing will change until you're grateful, you will be inspired to do it. The subject of money can be tricky one for many people, especially when they don't have enough. So there are two steps to the magic money practice. It's important that you read through the entire practice of magic money at the beginning of the day because you will continue with the money practice throughout the day. Sit,
Please continue. I'll see. I'll see.
sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood before you had any or much money. As you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and say and feel the magic words thank you with all your heart for each instance.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you always have food to eat? Did you live in a home? Did you receive an education over many years? How did you travel to school each day? Did you have school books, school lunches, and all the things you needed for school? Did you go on any vacations and when you were a child?
Yeah. What were? Manisha, you have muted yourself. Please unmute and speak.
Is it?
Yeah.
But
What
I can't see anything on the screen.
is not visible?
No, once again, I'll
Just
just
one
see.
minute. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Is it okay now?
Oh, once again, I think there's some problem. I'll just call my son. Milind, can you help me with this? There's some problem.
Okay, someone else can read.
Yeah. One second, huh? There's some problem. I don't know. All of a sudden, it started like this.
Sandeep can read.
Ma'am, I can read it.
Yeah, Sandeep, you read, please.
What were the most exciting birthday gifts you received when you were a child? Did you have a bike, toy, or a pet? Did you have clothes as you grew so quickly from one size to the next? Did you go to the movies, play sports, learn musical instrument, or pursue a hobby? Did you go to the doctor and take medicine when you were not well? Did you go to the dentist? Did you have essential items that you used every day like toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, and soap? Did you travel in a car? Did you watch television, make phone calls, use lights, electricity, and water?
Okay,
All of
one
these
minute.
things cost me.
1 minute.
Okay.
So just you analyze कि suppose you want to buy a Mercedes car, ना? And आप देखते हैं कि आपके पड़ोसी आपकी फ्रेंड ने वो गाड़ी ले ली है Mercedes. He recently bought a car. तो आपके मन में कैसी फीलिंग आती है? Do you feel good or do you feel jealous? The idea here is अगर आपको jealousy फील होती है तो jealousy आपको फील होती है अपने फ्रेंड के लिए, राइट? कि उसके पास तो गाड़ी है, उसके पास he has a big house, he has a lot of money. But then in fact you have jealousy towards the car, towards his bank balance, towards what he has, his big house. क्योंकि अगर आपको उससे जेलसी होती तो पहले पहले भी होती जेलसी, पर पहले आपको नहीं थी, जब उसके पास पैसा आया आपको तब जेलसी हुई. So you are giving the message to the universe that you are jealous of riches, you are jealous of bank balance. lot of money and car and big house. That is the message universe is getting. You understand my point? So you
Yes, ma'am.
need to be grateful for whatever you have. अगर आप jealousy रखते हैं, चिंता रखते हैं, किसी भी प्रकार की negative thinking zone में
Mm.
आते हैं, so you are giving a wrong message to the universe. Rather, कोई भी ऐसी चीज जब आप देखते हैं कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है situation, so you should be grateful and thank God for whatever you have and thank you appreciate. The thing is you start appreciating and visualizing that you are also getting the same card. That is the technique. Yes, please.
All of these things cost money and you receive them all at no charge. As you travel back through memories of your childhood and youth, you'll realize how many things you receive that equate to hard earned money. Be grateful for every single instance and memory because when you can feel sincere gratitude for the money you have received in the past, your money will magically increase in the future. It is guaranteed by universal law. To continue with the practice of magic money, take a dollar bill and write on a sticker that you have placed on the bill. Thank you for the thank you for all the money I've been given throughout my life.
Okay, just 1 minute. So आपको क्या करना है, एक मैजिक मनी प्रैक्टिस के लिए यहाँ पे लिखा है $1 बिल, $1 बिल. तो आप कोई भी नोट ले सकते हैं. So which note will you prefer? Will you prefer dollar or what kind of currency? 10
Obviously,
रुपए,
ma'am.
20 रुपए, 100, 500, 2000? What will you prefer?
Uh,
That is a question. See, इसमें जो लिखा है $1 बिल, that means you give, you don't neglect $1 बिल. ये नहीं कि मैं 10 के नोट में नहीं लिखना आपको, आप 100 के नोट के ऊपर लिखोगे या आप 200 और 500 के नोट पे लिखोगे. No, the idea is that each and every currency is valuable. Give value to money. कई बार हम देखते हैं कि 10-10 रुपए के नोट तो ऐसे ही फेंके होते हैं,
yes, ma'am.
और सिक्के की कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है. Money is money, so you value. It is like, it's like worship. So we worship goddess Lakshmi,
Yes, ma'am.
pouring abundance of money, and that is what you imagine. So the idea is आप कोई भी uh, ले लीजिए नोट, whether it's 10 rupees or 20 or 50, as you want, और उस पे आप ये लिखेंगे, thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. जितना भी मुझे अभी तक पैसा मिला है उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और नीचे लिखेंगे थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. आई विल गिव यू दिस वट एवर आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड. आई विल पोस्ट इट इन द ग्रुप.
Okay, ma'am.
यस प्लीज.
Take your magic dollar bill with you today and put it in your wallet, purse, or a pocket. At least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, or as many times as you want. Take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands. Read your written words, and you will be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. The more sincere you are and the more you feel it, the faster you will see a miraculous change to the circumstances of your money. You will never know ahead of time how your money will increase, but likely you will see many different circumstances changes for you to have more money. You could find money you didn't realize you had, receive unexpected cash or checks, receive discount rebates or decreases in costs, or receive all kinds of material things that would have cost you money.
ओके. सो आपको जब ये रियलाइज होगा, जब आप ये लिखेंगे और रोज इसको आप देखें, दिन में 2-3 बार देखें, जितनी बारी मर्जी देखें. यू कैन पुट इट जस्ट व्हेन यू ओपन योर अलमीरा, तो आपको दिखे. अपने ड्रॉर में रख सकते हैं, कोई डायरी में रख सकते हैं जो आप रोज देखते हैं, अपने वॉलेट में रख सकते हैं जो बार बार आप निकालते हैं. तो कहीं भी ऐसे रख सकते हैं जहां आप उसको बार बार देखें. और अगर आपको कोई अनएक्सपेक्टेड चेक मिलता है या कोई भी ऐसी अमाउंट अनएक्सपेक्टेड मिल जाती है, कोई डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ मनी विच रिसीव. सो बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट एंड यू शेयर इट. दैट इज वॉट इज सेट हियर. ओके. यस प्लीज.
After today, put your magic dollar bill in a place where you will continue to see it every day to remind you to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. Never forgetting that the more times you look at your magic dollar bill and feel gratitude for the money you have been given, the more magic you will bring forth. An abundance of gratitude for money equals an abundance of money. If you find yourself in a situation where you are about to complain about something to do with the money, whether it's through your words or your thoughts, ask yourself, am I willing to pay the price for this complaint? Because that complaint will slow or even stop the flow of money.
Okay, so I'm just asking you from an example. जैसे हमें शगन मिलता है कहीं से या कोई पैसे मिलते हैं, so how do you feel for that?
We feel very grateful for that, ma'am.
Very
Happy,
nice,
happy.
happy. Okay. जब कभी आपको कहीं से शगन मिलता है तो क्या ये मन में फीलिंग आती है कि ज्यादा है या कम है? नहीं आती.
No,
Good,
ma'am.
that's very nice. You can write others also. You can write in the chat box because how you feel. सपोज आपको कोई शगन देता है जो कि अमाउंट कम है, but then अगर ये फीलिंग आती कि अरे तो इतना अमीर है और इतने कम पैसे दे रहा है, so that is again a negative perspective.
Negative point.
अगर आप ये सोचते कि अरे इनके पास तो है ही नहीं, धन ही नहीं है, फिर भी ये देखो इतना दे रहे हैं, that is again a negative perspective. क्योंकि आप उनके बारे में आप जजमेंटल हो रहे हैं. You are getting into negative feeling zone for them. You need to be grateful in whatever situation. That is the whole idea. आप accept करिए ना करिए, that's up to you. But the moment you feel low or negative in any situation, you change your perspective from एक जो मैंने दो इमेज दिखाई थी, गुड फीलिंग जोन एंड बैड फीलिंग
Bad
जोन.
feeling.
सो गुड फीलिंग जोन में आप हमेशा लव, ग्रैटिट्यूड, पॉजिटिविटी, सेलिब्रेशन, जॉय, फुलफिलमेंट, अबंडेंस उसमें रहते हैं. तो हमेशा मुश्किल होता है, इसलिए बार बार ऐसे कैप्शंस आप लगा के रखिए या बार बार ट्राई टू बी इन दैट मोड. आपको क्या करना है, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट आप कैसे अपने आपको थ्रू राइटिंग ब्लेसिंग्स यू कैन बी इन दैट गुड फीलिंग जोन. Yes, please. From this day,
From this day forward, make a promise to
your
yourself that whenever you receive any money, whether it's your salary for work, a refund or discount or something that someone gives you that costs money, you will be truly grateful for it. Each of these circumstances means that you have received money, and each instance gives you an opportunity to use gratitude's magical power to increase and multiply your money even more by being grateful for the money you have just received.
yes, very nice.
Magic practice number 5, magic money.
Yeah, magic.
Repeats Repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, and feel grateful for the each one. Sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood on all that things you received that were provided at no charge to you. As you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words thank you with all your heart for each instance. Take a dollar bill or other small bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill in big bold letters, thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. Take your magic dollar bill with you today and at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon or as many times as you want. Take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands. Read your written words and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. After today, put your magic dollar bill somewhere you will see it every day to remind you to continue to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you Sandeep so much. ओके, सो आपको इसमें क्या प्रैक्टिस करनी है? एक तो जो ये 10 ब्लेसिंग्स हैं ये आपको लिखनी है, एंड देन यू हैव टू विजुअलाइज विच वी विल डू नाउ। वो आप खुद से भी बाद में करिए। वी विल जस्ट विजुअलाइज फॉर 2 minutes। आई टेक यू बैक टू योर ओल्ड डेज,
childhood memories.
चाइल्डहुड डेज, या उसके बाद यू हैव टू टेक अ डॉलर बिल। यहाँ पे डॉलर बिल लिखा है, आप कोई भी नोट ले सकते हैं और उस पर आप लिखेंगे थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द मनी आई हैव बीन गिवन थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ। आई विल शेयर दैट इन द ग्रुप हाउ टू राइट। और आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं हिंदी में कि मुझे पर्याप्त धन के लिए मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ या देती हूँ। फिर उसको जितनी बारी आप दिन में देख सकें आप उसको देखिए, बार बार देखिए, ऐसी जगह पे रखिए जहां पर आप बार बार उसको देख सकें। So why this technique is done? So that you keep visualizing, you keep manifesting it. So there are 5 ways of manifesting जो मैंने बताया था। Can anyone tell me what are the 5 ways of manifestation?
Make a list of 10
Okay, very good.
and read it daily
Yeah.
and say thank you 3 times.
Hmm.
And मैम एक्टिविटीज जो आपने पहले करवाई थी वो वाली,
क्या?
मैम एक्टिविटीज जो आपने पहले करवाई थी वो वाली।
हाँ, जो मैनिफेस्टेशन मैंने बताया था, मैनिफेस्टेशन 5 तरीकों से किया जाता है, लिखकर, बोलकर, सुनकर,
ओके हाँ हाँ
देखकर और कल्पना करके।
ओके।
तो जब आप लिख रहे हैं ये, तो ये आप एक प्रकार का मैनिफेस्टेशन कर रहे हैं। जब इसको आप बोल रहे हैं तो एक प्रकार का मैनिफेस्टेशन कर रहे हैं। जैसे जैसे जब अभी संदीप ने बोला, तो आप सब साथ साथ में बोलिए। उससे क्या होगा, that you will be visualizing and you will get into that positive vibration mode. Your vibration level would be high. See, what is the idea? That you match the frequency of your positivity with the frequency of the universe. Because शब्दों से thoughts बनते हैं, thoughts से feelings आती हैं, feelings से vibration आती है, और vibration is the language of the universe. So when you give positive vibration, you get back those positive vibrations in abundance, in different forms. जरूरी नहीं कि आपने ये बोला तो यही वापस आया, वो कुछ भी किसी भी तरीके से मैनिफेस्ट हो सकता है। So that is why it is said that you speak carefully. You watch what you speak. That is so important. तो जब आप बार बार देखते हैं, आप बार बार सुनते हैं वही बात, you automatically register that in your subconscious mind. And when it registers in your subconscious mind, it stores. Mind has a memory. It stores in your mind. It is just like a library. Different sections are there. तो एक सेक्शन में वो स्टोर हो जाता है। ऐसे अगर आप उसमें पॉजिटिविटी और अच्छी अच्छी बातें जो आप सोच रहे हैं, या जो भी ऐसे whatever you want, whatever your aim is in life, you keep on, you take charge of your life and take responsibility of your life and keep on working towards it. So day one I also talked about, when you want something in life, for that you need to attract positivity. आपको ये सोचना है कि मुझे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी है अपनी लाइफ की। I have to take charge of my life. Take responsibility of what you are, what you have, and what you do. That is of course your responsibility. It's your life. तो अब आपको क्या करना है, ये आपको लिखकर बार बार उसको देखना, बोलना है और विजुअलाइज करना है। कैसे विजुअलाइज करना है वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी। And after today, put your magic dollar bill somewhere you will see it every day to remind you to continue to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been तो गिवन इन योर लाइफ. तो आपको वो महसूस करना है कि इस डॉलर बिल से, चाहे वो 1 रुपए का है, चाहे वो 5 रुपए का है, यू आर अट्रैक्टिंग मनी. पर उसके लिए ये भी बहुत जरूरी, सिर्फ वो लगाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. जो हमने बाकी बातें करी हैं, बार बार कंप्लेन मोड में नहीं आना, पैसे को लेके नेगेटिव नहीं सोचना. मनी इज लाइक you worship money, so have a positive feeling about it. And just before you go to sleep tonight, this is the third activity. You will, uh, this will be your fourth activity. एक visualization भी है. You hold the magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. So you scan what best thing happened to you during the day. उसको आप visualize करेंगे. Okay. So anybody wants to share something or you want to add on to it? Please say something. You can unmute and speak. Any questions for today? So, acha, who wrote this? I'm just seeing chat. Arush, what if my friend bought a car or house or have great bank balance, which I wanted to have, and now uh, I felt motivated that one day I will have more than him. In this case, if I feel motivated, that's a positive thought for sure. But on the other hand, feel comparing him with myself, and feeling of comparison is just negative. Though, or we find ourselves in comparing mode, then what can we do best in this situation? Yes, thank you. It's a wonderful question. See, when you compare, that is also a negative feeling. क्योंकि आप कंपैरिजन मोड में आ जाते हैं, या तो आप खुद को छोटा महसूस करते हैं या उसको छोटा महसूस कराने लग जाते हैं कि मैं, देखिए, जब आप खुद किसी से जेलस होते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो नेगेटिव फीलिंग. और जब आप दूसरे को जेलस कराते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो नेगेटिव फीलिंग. तो आपको है कि मैं भी इतना कमाऊंगा कि तब वो देखेगा, या मैं उससे ज्यादा कमाऊंगा, वो भी एक
Yes.
नेगेटिव.
ये भी
हाँ, ये आप सोच सकते हैं कि मैं भी कार लूंगा. अब इससे ज्यादा के उससे ज्यादा के उससे ज्यादा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. नो कंपैरिजन. You compare that I am so grateful to the universe for giving the car of my choice. I want this. It is a must for me. Just imagine that you have a car and you visualize that you are driving that car. आपका दोस्त चला रहा है कि नहीं, तो वो तो उसके ऊपर है. आप अपनी गाड़ी के बारे में सोचो, आप अपनी लाइफ के बारे में सोचो कि आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो. इमेजिन यू आर ड्राइविंग, यू आर गोइंग थ्रू दैट. एक वो विजुअल एक गेम भी है इसकी, ड्राइविंग की. So just imagine you are driving your favorite car. So comparison करना मुश्किल हो जाता है because that brings you into the negative zone. Can we compare Mukesh Ambani with Anil Ambani? They are
obviously
from
no.
the same house. अभी तो आप तो friend की बात कर रहे हो. They are from the same house, same family. But just see, it all depends on the perspective. मुकेश अंबानी के घर में, उसकी फैक्ट्री में 24/7 यज्ञ और हवन होते हैं. They give gratitude. They are, in his speech also, Mukesh Ambani says, I'm so grateful to all my staff, to all my colleagues. He says they are colleagues. Members बोलते हैं वो, participants बोलते हैं. और वो हर एक के घर जा जाके, या जिसको भी प्रॉब्लम हुई अभी रिसेंटली, उनको सबको वो खुद विजिट करते हैं. And now I think he's number 4. So that attitude of gratitude is so important. क्योंकि जब आप कंपेयर में आ जाएंगे तो आप एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड से हट जाएंगे. You got the answer, Arush? Okay, Arush, mic is not working. Okay, thank you. Very nice, Arush. Thank you so much for this question.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Okay,
even
I
if
really like this point.
okay.
Yes, Manisha, you were saying something?
Yeah, I really like this that he's giving gratitude. He's personally meeting the people, seeing if they have any problem. He's going and helping them.
Yes,
I mean, this is what we all can never do it. So this is what
absolutely.
I think
हम सोचते हैं कि हम तो बहुत
makes
बड़े
him
बन गए,
stand.
हम तो बहुत अमीर बन गए, हम कहाँ
हाँ,
जाएंगे उनके
हाँ,
घर पे, हम एक एक को
हाँ,
हॉस्पिटल कैसे विजिट कर सकते हैं? So, and
हाँ.
I heard the
And
news somewhere.
giving them personally, meeting them personally, talking to them, understanding them, एक वो अपनापन वाली feeling, you
Exactly.
know.
And I read somewhere or heard somewhere that उनका जो मुकेश अंबानी का जो बेटा है, he said something to the guard, and Mukesh Ambani told him to apologize and then come to the office next day. This is so meaningful. This is so meaningful. That is the attitude of gratitude. कि जो इतना छोटा सा आपके ऑफिस में है, आप उसके लिए भी आप कितने ग्रेटफुल हैं कि ही इज डूइंग समथिंग फॉर यू. जैसे हमारे घर में कोई काम करती है, या मैंने now what I do is that I when I made my maid when gives me something, so I say thank you. तो वो मुझे ऐसे देखते हैं कि मैम थैंक यू क्यों बोल रही है,
Ma'am,
मतलब
each and everyone deserve respect.
each and every person deserve. So it so happens, when I started this cause, मुझे था कि मैं कुछ करूं to make difference in people's life, and I launched this program. जिससे भी मैंने बात करी, I got support from everywhere. Everybody supported. So it is the intention and the feeling that matters.
And I
If
think
you
you
are in that
visualized
positive
also.
frame, yeah. If you
I
are in
think you
that,
visualized.
yeah, I visualized. Yes, I manifested it through my actions, through my words, through my visualization, many things. And I worked upon it. Of course, action has to be there. बिना एक्शन के आप बैठे बैठे विजुअलाइज करेंगे तो वो बहुत बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. You need to take the necessary action, and that action has to be using your intellect, and that action has to be righteous. Right action लेना है. Okay, so any questions for today? I had another video. If we have time, I'll show. Otherwise, I
Yes,
can take
ma'am.
the question. Sir, would you like to add anything to this? Or we can take that tomorrow also. He'll be joining. Um, we
Let me
have,
just want to add one.
yeah,
See, money is important, very important, but it should not take away the happiness. And
yeah,
and the relationship should not be spoiled because of money. So
absolutely.
always we need money for our health, for education, for everything, but not to the cost of ruining our relationships, with our family and friends.
So you
So
need
I
to, absolutely, absolutely.
so I think we should go for money, but not at the cost of losing relationships. Money is important, but it's very difficult to balance sometimes. That's
Yeah,
the art of it.
that is art.
We have to learn how to balance.
Just some kind of echo. See, the idea is जब आप मनी के पीछे भागते हैं तो आप अपना फोकस छोड़ देते हैं.
Yes.
That's it. बट जब आप एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड में रहते हैं, जब आप ये रोज जब आप ब्लेसिंग्स, रोज जब आप ये सोचते हैं कि वट एवर आई हैव, आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट, you get into that positive zone, and you get
Yes.
the feeling of happiness of that.
But we as human beings, we sometimes forget and
Yeah,
we run for money
we
without
run.
realizing.
Yeah, because money is important. Money is
Yeah.
important. Then बार बार आप उस फीलिंग में जाते हैं, फिर दोबारा से come back to your normal.
We have to bring back.
You have to get yourself back to the positive frame of mind.
Yes.
Main
And
thing,
that has to be reminded every day.
yeah. All right.
We have to hammer in ourselves. Right?
Yeah.
Either somebody hammers us or we hammer ourselves.
We have to
So
hammer.
that happens when you get into that positive frame जब आप हमेशा good feeling zone में रहने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Yeah,
That's
that
the
is true.
आप सोचते हैं कि
But
कैसे.
then you come across so many people, it's very difficult, you know. There are people who make money and they cheat and make money. That is also, you know, you have to be very. So
Yeah,
you make
you have
money
to
but
be,
never cheat anyone.
you have to be careful. That is of course
Yeah.
you have to
Yes.
use the mind. कि मैंने कैसे क्या करना है. That action has to be taken
Because
carefully.
money never stays with us. It's our relationships that stay with us.
Exactly.
So that is very difficult, but
You
Yeah.
have to learn.
Yes. We have to learn.
Yes. Okay, Sangeeta.
Yeah. Yes, Dipali, thank you so much.
Yes, it was. Yeah, it was very nice.
Thank you.
It was very nice. Yeah.
Thank you, Vidhu. And just 1 minute. So, sir, would you like to say anything?
No, thank you, Sangeeta. It was a
We have
very
Brigadier Singh with us, and today he's just joined. Maybe he had some work, and in between he joined. So tomorrow, specifically, again he'll come and he'll share his views. But sir, for today also, if you can add something to this or anything
no.
you want to say. Yeah.
It was a very enlightening session.
Thank you.
Most of the things probably we practice without really knowing it. You know, you put them in the words. That probably, you know, we were doing it and not realizing that we are doing all this. And then, of course, there are certain things which we can do, which we are not doing.
Yes.
So it was a mix of both. New things to learn and some things which we are practicing, we need to continue to practice. But it was a lovely session, Sangeeta.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for
Thank you. Thank
having
you
me
so
on
much
board.
for coming.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Pleasure is ours. Thank you. And see you tomorrow also.
Yeah, certainly.
Tomorrow we have a topic on work like magic. So you will guide us how to go through that.
I I'll try. I'll try in whatever way I can. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
So
Thanks a lot.
I have another image to share, which is about money. Just 1 second. So this is how you can complete your cycle of abundance and your gratitude for money. When you are grateful for money, you are thankful for it. I mean, you for in any way, whether little or more, you are thankful for money. That brings peace of mind. I'm at peace with my money. That attitude you get into, but that is by practice. It is not a one-day job. You get that into mold with that practice. You start making wise choices. I do my best and allow money to come. And with a positive outcome, I have a healthy relationship with money. So this I wanted to share. Anything, anybody wants to add something on this? Okay, video. Let me see if we can do it in 5-10 minutes.
अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हारे पास किसी चीज की कमी है और उसी वजह से तुम कामयाब नहीं हो पा रहे, तो दोस्त सीट बेल्ट बांध लो, क्योंकि ये 5 कहानियां सुनने के बाद तुम अपने सारे बहानों को साइड में करके तुम्हारे सपनों को हकीकत में लाने की कोशिश शुरू कर दोगे, और ये वादा रहा है। और 5 कहानियां खत्म होने के बाद मुझे कमेंट में जरूर बताना कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, क्या वाकई में वो प्रॉब्लम्स है या फिर बहाने हैं जो तुम्हें कामयाबी तक पहुंचने नहीं दे रहे। कहानी नंबर 1, स्टीफन हॉकिंस। 21 साल की उम्र में जब आप और आप कॉलेज की दुनिया एंजॉय करते हैं, उस उम्र में इस बंदे को मोटर न्यूरॉन डिसीज नामक एक बीमारी का सामना करना पड़ा। इसमें इंसान के बॉडी पार्ट्स एक के बाद एक काम करना बंद कर देते हैं। डॉक्टर ने यहाँ तक बताया कि ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 साल तक जिंदा रह पाएंगे। और धीरे धीरे एक के बाद एक बॉडी पार्ट्स काम करना बंद हो गए और इन्हें व्हीलचेयर का सहारा लेना पड़ा। इस सब में इस बंदे ने बाकी तो सब खो दिया, पर इसने अपनी हिम्मत कभी नहीं खोई। और मुसीबतों की सीढ़ी चढ़ते चढ़ते ये बंदा दुनिया का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर साइंटिस्ट बन गया, जिन्होंने ब्लैक होल और बिग बैंग थ्योरी में अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया। और साथ ही साथ ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ टाइम नामक एक किताब भी लिखी, जिसने साइंस की दुनिया में तहलका मचा दिया। ये बंदा ना चल सकता था, ना बोल सकता था और ना ही कुछ कर सकता था, फिर भी सिर्फ अपने दिमाग के जोर पर, जो खुद हिल नहीं सकता, उसने पूरी दुनिया को हिला कर रख दिया। इनके पास तो जेन्युइन रीजन था कुछ भी ना करने का, पर जैसे कि मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया, विनर्स कभी बहाने नहीं बनाते और बहाने बनाने वाले कभी विनर्स नहीं बन पाते। अगर हमें सर्दी जुकाम भी हो जाए तो हम 4-5 दिन तक कोई काम नहीं करते, और इस बंदे ने अपने जिंदगी के 55 साल एक व्हील चेयर पर निकाल दिए, और जो कोई नॉर्मल बंदा भी शायद अचीव नहीं कर पाता, वो अचीव करके दिखा दिया। यही है वो पागलपन जो हर कामयाब बंदे में आपको देखने को मिलेगा। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आपके अंदर भी कुछ ऐसा पागलपन आए आपके सपनों के लिए, क्योंकि अगर इतनी मुसीबतों के बावजूद ये बंदा कर सकता है, तो इतनी फैसिलिटी के साथ हम क्यों नहीं। बस जरूरत है आलस को बाहर फेंकने की और इनके जैसा पागलपन अपने अंदर लाने की। कहानी नंबर 2, दी खोजेस। दोस्तों, मान लो कि अगर 1 घंटे के लिए कोई आपके हाथ पर बांध दे, तो उस 1 घंटे में खाली बैठने के अलावा आप और कुछ कर पाएंगे? आई डोंट थिंक सो।
Motivated, ma'am.
Very nice. So see what all they could achieve in spite of the problems, in spite of the challenges they had in their life,
Complaining.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so any questions for today? Anything you want to ask? Or we can conclude the class today. We meet tomorrow again, and tomorrow's chapter is Work Like Magic. See you all tomorrow, same time. Thank you so much. Love
Ma'am,
you
do we
all.
have to make list on
कौन सी?
we are grateful for money?
नहीं, लिस्ट तो वो बनाते हैं ना आप, जो 10 ब्लेसिंग्स
हाँ।
करना है आपको, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अभी विजुअलाइजेशन का टाइम नहीं है, कल कर लेंगे विजुअलाइजेशन, which I was planning. So if you guys have time, we can do for 2 minutes, or otherwise we will do tomorrow. So you
Ma'am,
want
3
me?
minutes are left. We can do it right now.
Okay, ठीक है, तो आप बस 1 मिनट लगेगा. Just close your eyes and visualize when you were a child. वो आपका पहला खिलौना जो आपको मिला. It can be a doll, it can be a car. आपका फर्स्ट बर्थडे मनाया गया, आपको केक दिया. जब आप स्कूल में गए फर्स्ट टाइम, हाउ डिड यू फील? आपकी फीस दी आपके पेरेंट्स ने, आपके स्कूल का खर्चा, आपके कॉलेज का खर्चा, आपके ट्यूशन का खर्चा उन्होंने उठाया. Just imagine all the gifts you have received till today. आपकी वो फर्स्ट बाइसिकल जो आप चला रहे थे और कितना खुश थे, वो आपको मिली, अनएक्सपेक्टेडली मिली आपको. Just visualize, imagine, go in that time and feel the joy of riding a bicycle. आपको जो जो गिफ्ट्स मिले, चॉकलेट्स मिली, बर्थडे पे अबंडेंस ऑफ गिफ्ट्स मिले, और आपके नेबर्स ने कभी कुछ दिया हो, किसी रिलेटिव ने कुछ दिया हो कभी. Just think about that and feel grateful. Say thank you to all the gifts I have received till date. Thank you to all the money I have received till date. अगर कभी कोई चेक मिला आपको, thank you for all the checks I have received till date, because it comes from the universe. God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now open your eyes slowly and feel. How light are you feeling? Feel the abundance. Yeah. So how are you feeling?
Very nice, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. So this technique you can do on your own, and you can really visualize every day how are you feeling, and you can write that. तो ये जो टेक्निक थी आप ये इसको प्रैक्टिस करिए. दिस इज इन द प्रैक्टिस. दिस इज जो आज की प्रैक्टिस है उसमें ये विजुअलाइजेशन है. इसको आपको करना है जिस तरीके से मैंने कराई है. और आप वो ब्लेसिंग्स 10 ब्लेसिंग्स भी लिखेंगे. You will also hold the rock in your hand and you will visualize the day, the best thing that happened during the day. And the most important, वो आप एक चार्ट पे या पेज पे लिखेंगे, thank you for all the money I have received till date. जो उसमें लिखा हुआ है. I will share that with you in the group. Okay. So thank you everyone. Take care.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Love you all.
Thanks
Bye.
so much for lovely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the lovely session.
Thank you, dear.
It was great.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.